Excuse me? It's a Proudfoot.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. Hey, I got these from some guy in Coney Island, some crazy guy. Sorry.
Stop crying.
Listen, I was hoping maybe, I could talk with your mama.
Yeah? You're a little late for that. Did you know her?
No, I've never met her, but I was hoping maybe she could answer a few questions for me.
What are you, some kind of cop?
My name's Harry Angel. How are you? I'm a private detective. So what's,
Epiphany.
Epiphany?
Yeah.
Your mama left you with a very beautiful name, Epiphany.
Not much else.
Well, actually, to be quite frank, I'm looking for a friend of your mama's, a guy called Johnny Favorite.
Yeah? I met all Mama's friends. I never met anyone called Favorite.
Oh, shit, man. I got a thing about chickens.
Yeah?
Yeah. This guy, Favorite, he was friends with your mama back in New York City before the war.
Yeah, she never told me. My mama had a lot of guys. She liked men.
How about a guy named Toot Sweet? He was a friend of Favorite's. Did you ever meet him?
Nope.
He's supposed to be a pretty good guitar player. I was gonna go try to catch his act tonight. Well, listen, I'm gonna be staying here in a town, in a hotel, and I figured maybe if you could remember anything that might help me, maybe you could give me a call. You're a very pretty girl, Epiphany. Your name suits you. Chickens.
Hey, what are you after him for, Johnny Favorite?
I'm not really after him. I'm just being paid to find out where he is.
He could be 6 feet under.
Then I'll have to buy a shovel.
It's Parachute Adams.
Parachute Adams.